Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to make money just by posting simple TikToks with Amazon affiliate marketing? You can earn every time someone buys a product you recommend. No need to own it or ship it. In this video, I will show you exactly how to start making money with Amazon affiliate links on TikTok step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. Amazon affiliates program called Amazon Associates lets you promote any product on Amazon using your special link. If someone clicks your link and buys, you earn a commission even if they buy something totally different. Now imagine combining that with the viral power of TikTok. Yeah, you get the idea. Step 1, head to affiliateprogram.amazon.com and sign up for a free account. You will need a name, address, your social or TikTok profile. Yes, you can use TikTok even if you are just starting. After that, you will get access to your custom links for any Amazon product. Now pick a niche. The more specific, the better. Example, take gadgets, phone accessories, mini projectors, home hacks, kitchen tools, organization, beauty and skincare. Viral Amazon finds fitness, home workout gear. Go to Amazon, search for your niche and grab affiliate links for products that are under $50 and visually interesting. This platform based on TikTok. Now film a short 10 to 30-second video showing or talking about the product. Unbox it if you have it. Show how it works. Borrow footage or use B-roll from reviews. Make a list 3 Amazon finds you didn't know you needed. Use trending sounds, text overlays, and hook lines like Amazon must have under $20. TikTok made me buy it, worth it. You don't even need to show your face. Use CapCut to edit and boom, you are ready. Here's the trick. TikTok doesn't allow clickable links in videos, but you can add one in your bio. Use Linktree or beacons.ai to create a free landing page with all your affiliate links. Put that Linktree link in your TikTok bio. In your video caption or comment, say something like link in bio or check my profile for the product. Now, when people visit your profile and click your link, cha-ching. The key is consistency. Post two, three, two, three videos a week. Test different formats and see what hits. Sometimes it takes one viral video or bring in hundreds of clicks and affiliate sales overnight. And once one video works, make more just like it. And that's how you make money with Amazon affiliate marketing on TikTok. No product, no inventory, just smart content and strategy. If you want to me if you want me to show how to build a Linktree page or give viral TikTok script templates, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.